Hello, welcome to my APWH History Prevail. Today we're going to talk about the trans-Saharan trade through 13th and 16th century. The Sahara Desert is 3.6 million square miles, and only 800 square miles are oases, which mean it have water. The hot and arid climate made the desert impossible to farm and settle, but nomadic traders contributed the growth of Mali and other empires by the 13th century through trade network. Africans traded gold, ivory, hides, and slaves for Arabs and Berbers salt, clothes, paper, and horses. And along the trade routes, Islam spread too. The most famous people who ever converted to Islam in this region is Mansa Musa, who is the king of Mali Empire and a very rich people in history. Camels were most popular transportation tools in the Middle East and throughout Africa because they could go 10 days without water, and they have different position and saddles for different goals like fighting, navigating, and cargo loading. Mali replaced Ghana by the 13th century as the strongest empire when it became the center of trade and higher education, especially in Timbuktu, which is their capital. They taxed it to strengthen their government and military. Their currencies is gold, but also shells, cotton, clothes, glass beads, and salt. Now we go into some details thing about the Mali Empire. The Mali Empire is one of the most important empire in world history. Their founder is Sandiate, the Lion Prince. He was spared when his village was conquered because he had a disability on his leg. However, he was still excelled as a fierce warrior, and he returned to cultivate a strong trade networks and a gold-rich empire. His grandson, Mansa Musa, continued to strengthen Mali both politically, economically, and intellectually. He converted to Islam and made the Hajj to Mecca. He traveled with an entourage of hundreds of slaves, soldiers, and camels, and he gave gold away to his hosts and other people along his journey. He was incredibly wealthy but spent lavishly, and his successor feuded over the throne, so the Songhai replaced Mali as the strongest in West Africa by the late 14th century.